Say hi to the camera, guys.
Bye.
No,
Oh,
not
bye.
bye.
No, wow.
Hi. Well, bye.
Say hi, guys.
Hey, guys.
Oh, you're so handsome.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Celeb Man.
I'm Celeb Boy.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. If it's your first time, please make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification button, guys,
And all that jazz.
and all that jazz, guys. So today, we have another bag.
We took a trip to Poundland and we found these cute little dipping bowls. But we thought this would make a cute candle, so.
I thought that, not we. I thought that.
Okay.
Carry on.
Yes. Yeah, so we was like, okay, let's buy it. Let's find some candles, melt them down, and make new candles. Except the only candle we could find was this in Poundland. It is, I don't know if you can see that. Orange Punch. It smells like some kind of pumpkin spice, autumn kind of smelling candle. Not very Valentine-y, so we just got it just in case we couldn't find anything else. Then we took ourselves to Home Bargins and found these, which is sugar dusted cherry, and these were like 79p. So I'm like, win-win. We got a couple other candles. We got some tea lights here and tea light versions of the other big candle.
Guys, to be honest, there wasn't much more candles, literally. That's literally why we're making this video, because these are the same.
Yeah.
Literally the same. Everywhere is just running out of candles, and then they're super expensive. Like, we bought these candles like a couple weeks ago.
This is a beautiful candle.
It's a beautiful
from
candle.
Sainsbury's, and it's
So
like
beautiful. It's like £15. It does take a while to burn.
No, I thought it burnt quick, but I don't know, maybe we just burnt candles.
It took a while to burn. We was burnt. There was days we was burning this for hours. This was at least like 50 hours or something.
How many did it say on the jar?
I don't know what it says on there.
25 hours.
There's more than that though, for sure.
Lie.
For sure.
Lie.
We burnt for longer than 25 hours. Anyway, guys, so yeah.
It's completely burnt out, so we're gonna try and melt. There's like loads of
So much
leftover
residue
wax.
left over.
So we're gonna try and melt that down and put that into these candles because it actually smells really nice.
And guys, this is like a quick hack for if you know, for your Valentine's Day, if you don't want to spend X amount of money on candles. Or if there's no candles out there to buy, you can just get some of your old candles at home if you have any, and then just melt them down like we're gonna do today, and then you can get, you know, this. This was £1 in Poundland, or maybe £2 in Poundland. Put it inside this, put a wick inside it, boom, Bob's your uncle.
And if you wanna, you know, add scents and stuff, you can add essential oils. I'm an essential oil junkie, so I probably won't because these already smell nice. But if I had like plain scented, candles, I would definitely be adding essential oils.
Some essential oils, yeah. Definitely.
Yeah. So
Super.
let's get started.
So we're gonna burn these down, and then we're gonna just pour this inside here. So yeah.
That's literally it, man. So
Literally
simple.
so easy. So let's go and burn down these candles. I'm excited.
Yeah.
So we've got our candles that we're about to burn, or melt rather.
So we're kind of just trying to figure out the logistics. What we're going to do is one of the pots is going to be a custom one that I'm going to make with essential oils and plain tea lights. So I'm going to melt these three. But also I'm going to use the wicks from inside them for these candles because the height is like the perfect height. What's this candle? I don't need that one. I forgot I don't like this sort of pot. And also, because I can't get this out, I'm just going to put the whole candle inside and just use the tongs to remove the bits after the fact.
I am going to burn the Sainsbury's candle with some water. In there. But that should be enough.
Yeah, it's Careful your hand.
Yeah, that should be fine. Oh, wrong one. Alright, cool.
And I hope it, I'm not done soon. Mine, I think they haven't really shown any signs of melting.
Right, which we are.
Right.
How long do you think you're going to leave it for?
Till it melts.
But how long do you think it'll take?
I don't know.
10 minutes?
It's probably melted underneath, but obviously because it's not.
And then this last one here.
It's the experimental candle.
The experimental one. That should do it. Boom. Oh!
Crazy.
Burn the house down.
Out.
Calm.
Yeah. There we go. We'll be back when it's melted.
Alright guys, look. That one's completely melted.
So
That one's completely melted. That one's moving like a soldier. Doesn't want to burn at all.
It's kind of going.
It's kind of going though.
So I'm going to put my essential oils in my one. I'm using a concoction called Love Potion, which is 2 drops lavender, 3 drops patchouli and 2 drops of sweet orange. I'm going to put extra because I like the sweet orange. I don't like the patchouli. So. Lavender. What was it? 2 drops of lavender and then 3 drops of patchouli. That's gross.
That's the equal drops then, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's see. I want to see how it smells. It don't smell like nothing. Maybe I need to double it.
I'll say double it.
Because it's diffuser blend. So.
I'll say double it. Guys, that one's still moving like a soldier. But it's, the aromas in here smell beautiful. So we've already put the wicks inside the... Oh, okay. Put the wicks inside there anyway.
Yeah. So, moment of truth, guys. I'm going to try and scoop my concoction. I'm just going to drip feed it because this isn't, the wick isn't stuck down and I don't want it to move. So I'm just going to gently, just a little bit. I'll do it up to that little gush. Yeah, I'll leave it there.
That's fun.
Candle 2 is ready.
Ooh!
I'm going to use a spoon and slow. Hang on, let me try and fix the angle. You can see it.
Like that.
So great. There
Hold
you
on.
go.
And the other one, baby.
Why?
That one, this one, that one, this one. Come on, babes.
Oh yeah, you can probably use some of it. It's not finished melting
It's not
yet.
finished melting, but I can still grab from that.
We'll take what we can, you know. Turn that off.
Ooh!
Ooh.
You got it?
Yeah. Cute.
Looks cute.
The only thing is, yeah, it's not gonna come out in layers because it's hot. What you'd have to do is
Just wait for it to cool down, isn't it?
unless you just mix it
I
all
don't know.
together.
I don't mind it being mixed together. I'm just being bougie, you know. Oh, my wicks. It's moved.
You did it too much.
No, it just moved.
You filled it now. It's done. I think that's as high as it can go now, really.
Yeah, but I can probably just add a tiny bit more of this one.
No.
Yeah, I can.
Baby.
Yeah, I can. That looks lush.
Oh wait, let me try and get. There you go.
That looks
Yeah,
lush.
just clean it up a little bit on the edges that you spilled.
Yeah.
Don't watch our dishes, guys. They're clean. My one's here already.
Why do you always do
Already
things?
cooling down. What?
No, mine looks so messy. Yours is so clean.
Because I kind of wiped time, but mine's still a bit messy as well. I wipe it when it's properly dry.
Okay.
Okay. Moving on.
And
Last candle.
the last one. What do we mix the essential? No, it's a mixture of all three.
No, don't.
Yeah, mixture of all three,
It's
blood.
gonna smell weird.
I don't care.
The smells are probably gonna cancel each other out or something.
No, they won't.
Yeah, sure.
That's that one. That's got a bit of water inside that one. Ooh. Last. Right, let me get this one. Ooh.
So here they are, slowly solidifying. You can't see this one too tough, but because it's like white, but
what shall we do?
it's there.
All these ones.
We'll show you the finished result and we'll try and light them as well. Because I had to melt the whole candle with the wick inside it, so I don't know if the wax has covered the wick, but we'll get it lit somehow, man. You know, I'm gonna show you.
Guy.
Hey guys, so we're back. Our candles are solidified. So this one that I did, that was the essential oil one. You can't really smell it too tough. A little bit, but not much. But maybe when it's
when you burn it, you probably smell a lot of it. This is my one here, guys. So this is a mixture of the one that we had from Sainsbury's plus the pink one. The pink one that was on the table. Smells so good. Let's smell it, Baba. Smells nice, isn't it?
Say nice.
Don't eat it. And then this is just this is a mixture of just everything, isn't it?
No, that's the pink one. This is a mixture of everything. That's the pink one, the leftover of the pink one.
That's leftover of the pink one.
No, this is leftover of everything.
Oh yeah, it's leftover of the pink one. And we fill it inside here, so that's alright.
And then we had this candle that literally just finished burning out yesterday, so it was like cool. There was a lot of leftover wax from the other candle, so we just waxed it all into this one here. And
so that's got a little bit of
it's got a nice little weight
the
to
incense, a little bit of the everything.
It smells nice though.
Literally, and yeah. So
now I want to see if they actually light, because all the wicks got they got submerged in the wax. So I don't know if they're actually gonna light, but we'll try it. Oh yay! I tested that one earlier. Perfect. And there you have it, guys. You got your Valentine's Day candles. Boom.
Perfect. Guys, that was easy. Cost us like £3 maybe.
Yeah.
To make that from Poundland. And it's just a nice little centerpiece you can add on your Valentine's Day endeavours.
Some, get some, aromatic lighting. Aromatic lighting, what is it? What's the word? Atmospheric lighting. Aromatic, Wow. Yeah. Oh, you're so handsome.
Alright guys, peace.
What do you want to say, Bud?
I think you're just eating the candle wax.
Are you? Ew, that's gross. Why is this?
Whoa!
Yeah, it's gross.